Hello, welcome to Cooking with Debs
and Sophia,
and today we are making a quiche. We've got some little sausages and I've got some ham. I've chopped them up. I've got this Jarlsberg sliced cheese that I got through Fair Share. Rather than using grated cheese, I've just chopped up some of those slices. These tomatoes were grown by a friend of mine, and unfortunately we'd abandoned them a little bit too long and they've got a bit wrinkly. However, in a quiche, absolutely fine. I've got pepper and an onion in here that I've sauteed together. You don't have to do that, but I just find it just stops them being too raw tasting when the quiche is done. The pepper came from Fair Share as well. These eggs were gifted to me by a bit of salt and pepper. You can add in some mixed herbs if you want to, a bit of garlic powder. And spread that. This is going to go into the oven. I will include the cooking details below, and we'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and do check out the app Olio because it's a great food sharing app. Thanks for watching. Bye.
bye.